Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Instagram username on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to change your username on Instagram, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just search for Instagram to open Instagram. And once you have opened Instagram, just click on this more option, then click on settings. Now in settings, just click on account center. And here in profiles and personal details section, you'll get your Instagram profile here. Just click on Instagram profile, then click on username. Now on this section, you can easily change or edit your username. Just edit your username. Once you have done, just click on this done option and your username will be saved to your profile. So in this way, you can easily change your Instagram username. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.